Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. Today guys, I share with you how to make okra soup like a pro. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's begin. Here is our chopped okra. Yes, our well-washed chopped okra. Yes, looking all good. And here is our spinach guys, all sliced. Make sure you wash them before slicing, okay? Now let's move on to the main cooking. Here, get your clean pot, okay? And then add in your palm oil. Allow it to heat up, okay, before adding your diced onions, okay? Yes. Once you've added your onions, go on and stir it, okay? Allow it to fry for a minute, or you watch when it is translucent or flavorful, okay? Just like this, guys. Now go in with your meat. We are making use of goat meat, yes? And of course the stock. Alright? Pour that in and stir. Next up is our grilled chicken drum. Guys, you are free to use any protein of your choice, yes, the one you can afford, okay? Yes, you mustn't use what I'm using, like everything I'm using here. So guys, if you notice, we added our washed catfish. Yes, our washed dry catfish. Now we just added our blended peppers, consist of scotch bonnet and long pointed peppers, okay? Yes, pour that in and give it a stir. All right. Okay, so cover it. Let's bring it to a boil, okay? At this point, guys, go in with your ground crayfish. Yes, don't pour everything, okay? Just leave a little bit. That will come later. Add some salt. Now we are going in with our seasoning. All right, trying to break it so we don't bump into a whole cube of seasoning. All right, once you've added it, go on and stir it. All right. Okay, so guys, allow it to simmer for like just say a minute, and then go in with your sliced okra. Yes guys, it is looking all fresh and good. Now stir to well combine. Yeah, please note that we didn't add the whole okra. Yes, we left a little bit. Yeah, that will come later, okay? It's coming up so well, guys. It's coming up so well. We are still stirring. Yes, making sure that everything is well combined. Okay. All right. Let's allow it simmer for some minutes. Yes, a minute or two. Yes, this is vegetable. You don't overcook it, okay? So now give it a stir. All right. If you want it to slime, like more slimy, more than this, just pat the okra, yes, and pound or blend it, yes. In that way it will come out more slimy. All right. Now we are testing for salt, guys. It is perfect. Now pour back the remaining ground crayfish, okay? Followed by the okra. Yeah, pour that in. Yes, we want it to remain as fresh as ever. Now go ahead and stir it. Yes, stir to well combine, okay? Let me use this medium to appreciate my subscribers. Thank you guys for your maximum support and love. I really appreciate. Thank you. And to you that is meeting my video for the first time, welcome to Oma Sport. Here we cook, we do everything edible. Do well to subscribe, okay? And be part of the family. Thank you. So guys, let's continue. If you notice, we added our leafy green vegetable. Yes, we are using spinach for this recipe, yes, but you can as well substitute it for fruited pumpkin leaves. Yes, this is one of the healthiest soup you can ever think of. So guys, give it a shot. It is good for you and your family, okay? Oh my, look at how it's looking, guys. Oh, this looks so delicious, and I tell you, it tastes so good, looking fresh. Guys, give this recipe a shot, okay, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment below. All right, and if you have any question, please leave it there. I'm gonna attend to it. Yes. All right. Oh my, this is looking good. This is looking good, guys. You don't overcook it once you've added your vegetable. Yes. So guys, at this point we are done. Okay, let's take it off the heat. Guys, what are you gonna be enjoying it with? Is it a bar, poundo, or are you gonna enjoy it just like this, licking it just like this? Let me know also in the comment below. Okay, all right guys, there you have it, a delicious yummy okra soup. Yes, made with love, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you.